Hi Chris, this is Group 10, the Strategem Group. This is a weekly status meeting and we will be providing the update from the first week. So to give a brief about the project, we have to create a data analytical tool which will mine this and scrape the data from the website, and it will be revolving around film industry and the market labels in the region of Ontario. That will be help in creating the Strategem Group, their investment and their initial investment, and to grow their market in another regions in the regions of Ontario. So to give a brief about the team, so I am the team lead, and my role in the project would be Python developer, database management, and visualization. And for Abhishek is a designer developer. He's also good at visualization. And third is Athira. Athira is will be doing the role of database admin, schema management, and she's also very good with the visualization. And the lastly, we have Isha Chaudhary. She would be managing the website designing, and which will be incorporated with the Python. So this is our small team. For the high level timeline chart, so we have created the high level timeline chart. We just only put the first week like requirement in the timelines. So in the requirement till here, we have to create site gathering, database management, web scraping, initial design, and web scraping sites. So we are on the first task, which is finalizing the sites for the scraping, and we are creating the top level design of the technology. So we have yet to contact the client. We haven't met with the client in this part of semester. So we have done our part. So here is the progress. Current task is we find out some sites for scraping, and then we will finalize with the client. If he says if the sites are good for the scraping, so we will start our building our Python web scraper. So we initially are designing a top level design, so it will be the flow of the technology which will be used in the project, and the database selection is also in the part of this. Upcoming plans is shortlisting of scraping sites with the clients and get a go ahead on the technological which are used in the project. Consumptions of this week is uh, 2 hours in database selection, 2 hours in site gathering by Athira, 2 hours by Abhishek in site gathering, and 2 hours in technological stacks. And Jenny, mine would be 4 hours in site gathering and technological stacks, but we also contributed in creating a SharePoint also. That is not mentioned here. So the SharePoint is created by all three us. Weekly cost, like fictitious budget, we are into it by $50 as mentioned in the assignment. So the plan of the next week will be web scraper and finalizing sites, top level design, and the database selection, and get a and by if there is any change of plan by the clients, we will definitely change it. So individual status report, I was working on the site scraping, top level design, and SharePoint creation. So for site scraping, we have uh, taken 10 or 15 sites individually, and our main plan is to consolidate that all the sites and figure out which site is better and then show it to the client so he can also approve or not. If it is not, we will search it again. So we finalize some tools like PyCharm for creating the web scraper and some sites. So that will be it from my side. And upcoming plan will be top level design and site finalize that we mentioned today. And I'm mentioning again that we haven't met with the clients, so there is some lag on the work. Please bear with us. Over to Athira. Athira, can you please share your update with Chris Dyke? Thank you, Thira, for the update. And over to Abhishek. Can you please share your update with the Chris Dyke? Thank you, Abhishek, for the update. So this is the communication plan. Name of the client is Jordan R. Skinton, the stakeholder, and Chris Dyke, instructor and project manager. Rest are the team members that we also mentioned in the call today. If you have any question and answer, please give us a feedback. Thank you. That will be all from our side.